Set date default format in Excel. We have one table here, and in this table we have one column entry date, and entry date can see there are few dates are there. So if I'm entering one more date, 02-March 2020, it will automatically convert into another format, 3/2/20. Now I want to make the default format for my Excel. Every time I will enter the date, it will convert automatically into the default format. Instead of, I will right click here and change the format cell. Just go to control panel, time and language, additional date, time and regional setting, then change date, time or number formats, then again additional settings and date. So here you can give your required format in the short date dd-mm-y and click apply. Okay. Close the windows. So format, by default format has been changed. Now I am gonna enter one more date, 01/Jan/2090. So automatically the format is set to 01-01. In Windows 7, you can do by going to control panel, then region and language. Step 1, click here, then additional setting. Step 2, step 3, click on date tab, and in step 4 you can set the format here and then click OK.